You join us here in the Austrian Alps in Kutai for the men's giant slalom event. And the first up to face the course is Darren.
Just want to get down safe. Just remember everything I've been taught. Just to go quicker, technique has to be better. Get the technique right, and the performance will take care of itself.
He's come a long way from the falls in Hemel Hempstead.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And to a great deal of noise, away goes the former England cricketer. Fast he was with the ball in his hand. How fast is he going to be now down this 1 kilometre? It's going pretty well and fairly steady. 24.13, a decent start for Darren. Good edge there and there. But he wants a little bit more speed though at the bottom end of the course. Battling to control his skis there. Last few gates. Into the tuck, pushing for the finish.
Come down.
Oh, what was that like watching it back?
Horrible.
I love the little pep talk that you gave to yourself at the top. Come on, you can do it like this. And
Yeah, like I say, you come a long way when you start off, and I say I've not skied many times in my life.
get you to turn around so we can see
all
you.
right, you want me to see me?
Yeah,
okay.
I want look, this lovely place.
I've not skied very much, and obviously to go and do that now was a great experience. From where I started not long ago to do that course was a great buzz for me.
And such a look of determination on your face when you came down. Amazing. Now listen, I can tell you that you completed the giant slalom in 47.74. Congratulations. Which puts you at the top of the leaderboard.
I'm at the top.
But it also puts you at the bottom.
Oh no!
Sort of. Enjoy it while it lasts. Darren, everyone!
1. Come on, go, 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 go!
The novice needs all the good fortune that he can find. So the comedian on his way, looking for some more and rather different good lines.